In this video, we will explore the top 5 best 4K mini drones for 2025. These lightweight drones offer powerful features like high-definition cameras, smart flight modes, and long battery life, perfect for both beginners and pros. All product links and updated pricing details are included in the description below, so let's jump right in. Number 5. Xiaomi V168 8K drone. Let us take a close look at the Xiaomi V168 8K drone, a device that truly redefines aerial photography and drone performance. First, its foldable arm design makes it highly portable, perfect for travelers and outdoor enthusiasts. Despite its compact build, the Xiaomi V168 is packed with powerful imaging capabilities. It features a dual camera system that supports 5G Wi-Fi and captures video in 4K, 6K, and even 8K ultra-high definition resolution. The 90-degree adjustable remote control camera allows for dynamic shooting angles, flat, oblique, overhead, and more. With its stunning 8K resolution and 50 times zoom capability, the level of detail and creative flexibility is simply exceptional. On the performance side, the drone comes equipped with GPS positioning for accurate flight tracking and impressive stability. The 5G Wi-Fi first-person view transmission offers a range of up to 3,000 meters, enabling real-time viewing on your mobile device with virtually no delay. Flight modes include orbital movement for cinematic circular shots, waypoint flight where you can draw a path on your screen, and altitude hold mode for smooth, steady hovering. Beginners will appreciate the optical flow visual hover and one-touch return functions. With just one button, the drone returns safely to its launch point. Battery life is equally impressive, offering 22 to 25 minutes of flight time on a single charge. The 7.4-volt 2000 mAh lithium polymer battery recharges in approximately 90 minutes. The Xiaomi V168 is not just a drone, it is a powerhouse for creators. Number 4. L900 Pro 4K Professional Drone. The L900 Pro 4K Professional Drone, a compact yet feature-rich drone built for both beginners and experienced pilots. Its sleek, foldable design makes it incredibly portable and travel-friendly. At the heart of the L900 Pro is a high-definition 4K camera with a wide-angle lens. You can adjust the camera up to 90 degrees using the controller, capturing dynamic aerial photos and videos from multiple angles. With 5G Wi-Fi connectivity, real-time image transmission is smooth and lag-free through the dedicated mobile application. The GPS-assisted flight system ensures accurate positioning. If the battery runs low or the signal drops, the drone will automatically return to its takeoff point. Indoors, optical flow positioning provides stable hovering, making indoor shots easy and precise. You can also activate gesture photo and video mode. From a distance of 1 to 3 meters, simply use hand gestures to trigger the camera, perfect for hands-free shooting. The drone delivers up to 28 minutes of flight time on a single charge. Its brushless motor offers quiet operation, reduced wear and tear, and minimal maintenance. Additional features include Follow Me mode, where the drone tracks your movements to keep you in frame, and Fixed Point Surround, allowing it to circle around a chosen subject. With a 6-axis gyroscope, flight remains stable and controlled. Finally, Creative Video MV mode lets you enhance footage with built-in templates and background music. Electronic image stabilization ensures every shot stays clear and smooth. The L900 Pro is where performance meets creativity. Number 3. Fly Faith Mini 4K Drone. The Fly Faith Mini 4K drone is impressively compact, weighing just 230 grams lighter than a standard Apple. Its lightweight build and foldable design make it perfect for travel, fitting easily into a backpack or even a pocket. This drone is equipped with a 4K high-definition camera, capable of capturing 8-megapixel images with outstanding clarity. Paired with a 3-axis brushless gimbal, it delivers smooth, stable, and shake-free footage, even during complex maneuvers. Thanks to its 5G Wi-Fi first-person view technology, you can stream 1080p resolution video in real time directly to your smartphone. With a maximum control range of 3 kilometers, you have the freedom to explore wide landscapes while maintaining a live view. Flight performance is equally impressive. The Xiaomi Mini offers up to 27 minutes of flight time on a single charge. Its efficient brushless motor provides strong thrust, better wind resistance, and longer durability for a reliable flying experience. The drone features dual positioning systems, GPS and optical flow. GPS locks the drone's location with satellite precision, while optical flow uses the bottom camera to enhance stability during low altitude or indoor flights. Its aerodynamic nanoscale resin panel not only resists impact but also improves overall flight balance. Altitude hold mode keeps the drone steady at a fixed height, allowing precise control of roll, pitch, and yaw. For anyone seeking a lightweight yet capable drone with professional-grade imaging and stable flight features, the Xiaomi Mini is a powerful and portable solution. Number 2. Potensic 4K Professional Drone. The Potensic 4K Professional Drone, also known as the Atom, weighs under 249 grams, making it ultralight and travel-friendly. Its compact, palm-sized design requires no Federal Aviation Administration or remote identification registration, offering a truly hassle-free flying experience. Equipped with a 3-axis gimbal and a Sony Chemo sensor, the Atom delivers ultra-smooth, stable footage. The 12-megapixel camera captures stunning images and records in 4K resolution at 30 frames per second, ensuring clarity even in dynamic or windy conditions. Charging is fast and efficient. The included Fly More combo features a parallel charging hub that supports 60-watt quick charging for up to 3 batteries at once. In just 1.5 hours, your batteries are fully charged and ready for flight. With upgraded PicSync 3.0 transmission technology, the drone offers a control range of up to 6 kilometers, or approximately 20,000 feet. This extended range lets you explore expansive areas and maintain a strong, stable connection while capturing breathtaking views. For creative enthusiasts, the Atom includes multiple intelligent shooting modes, such as pull away, rocket, circle, spiral, and boomerang. These quickshot options allow you to film cinematic quality content with just a tap. Additionally, the drone supports firmware over-the-air updates, so your drone stays optimized with the latest performance improvements and features. Whether you are a content creator or a casual flyer, the Potensic 4K Professional Drone combines portability, power, and precision in one compact package. Number 1. FIMI Mini 3-4K Drone. The FIMI Mini 3-4K drone weighs just 245 grams, making it incredibly lightweight and portable. No Federal Aviation Administration or remote identification registration is required, making it ideal for travel and spontaneous aerial shooting. At its core, the FIMI Mini 3 features a 1/2-inch 48-megapixel stacked CMOS sensor. It captures ultra-clear 4K video at 60 frames per second and delivers high-resolution 48-megapixel still images. A built-in 3-axis mechanical gimbal ensures all footage is smooth and stable, even during movement. For low-light shooting, the FIMI Mini 3 includes AI Super Night video technology. Powered by an advanced AI image signal processor chip, it achieves a 400% higher signal-to-noise ratio compared to traditional processors, resulting in clearer night footage. The drone utilizes Solink HD digital transmission, supporting real-time high-definition video transmission at distances of up to 9 kilometers, or approximately 29,000 feet. It switches intelligently between 2.4 GHz and 5.8 GHz frequencies for a stable connection with a low latency of just 120 milliseconds. With a flight time of up to 32 minutes per battery and a total of 64 minutes using both included batteries, the FIMI Mini 3 offers extended airtime. It also maintains stability in wind speeds up to 38 km per hour, rated at level 5 wind resistance. Additional smart features include visual tracking, precise landing, waypoint autoflight, point of interest, and 12 times digital zoom, giving users maximum creative control in every flight. There you have it, the top 5 best 4K mini drones for 2025. Compact, capable, and ready to fly. Let us know your favorite in the comments, and do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tech reviews.